How to turn off tap to wake on iOS 17. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here to your settings, and first and foremost you have to make sure that you have to update your software and tap on general here. Now tap on the software update here and make sure to update. Click on update now here to update your application. But if your application is already on iOS 17, so what you're gonna do is to go back here to your settings and go here to your accessibility here. Sorry for that. Tap on your accessibility here and tap on under the physical and motor section here. Click on the touch here and then you'll see a lot of options up until you see the tap to wake. So wake the screen when you tap on the display. So if you don't want to wake the screen when you tap on it, what you're gonna do is to just simply toggle that off here, toggle this off, and basically that's how you turn off your tap to wake on iOS 17. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.